I just wanted to know what were you surprised by Virat's decision to quit the Test captaincy, and if you have to sum up his role as a captain in the longest format, how would it be?
See, I'm not here to give a judgment about his decision, but yes, it's a personal decision and we respect his decision. He knows how his body is reacting and what frame of mind he is in. So, yeah, we respect that, and it's been an immense pleasure to play under his leadership. I made my test debut, and as I've spoken before as well, brings a lot of energy to the side. He'll always be a leader in the group, and his contribution has been immense and will always be immense going further as well.
Hi Jaspreet, for the first time you are in a designated leadership role in the Indian men's team. The Test captaincy is now up for grabs, and recently Pat Cummins led Australia to a 4 Ashes victory. So, firstly, do you harbor ambitions to captain the team at any point? Secondly, how different is it for a fast bowler to be a captain, because you have to ideally field inside the circle? There's workload management, there are fitness issues. So, what are the challenges you see on that front?
See, for me, I am ready to contribute in whatever position, whatever way I can to the team. If given an opportunity, of course, you would think about it, but that's something that I don't chase. I like to do my work however I can contribute, be having a post or not, it doesn't really matter. Whatever contribution you can give, I try to do that, and that's always been my process, and that's always what I look to do. So yeah, obviously if given an opportunity, it's an honor, and there's no bigger feeling than that. But yeah, I try to focus on the things that I can contribute, even if I'm not given a position of a leader, because that's the job of a teammate, that however you can help each other in any situation, that's very important.
My question to you is, as the vice captain, how do you see yourself? What do you see your role as the team? Do you plan to talk to people, help tactically put a shoulder around your teammates? How are you seeing your role in this particular leadership capacity?
Yeah, for me, the role doesn't change at all, because I have to do my job first, isn't it? So, trying to contribute as much as I can in whatever fields I can, and helping KL as much as he wants if he needs any assistance on the field. Um, Sharing a bowler's mindset, what kind of fields can you keep? That is something that I always look to do, even if I'm not the vice captain. I try to talk to certain younger guys as well who've come in now, and have a lot of discussions with them around fields and what kind of deliveries, and quickly assessing the wicket. So that's the same role I'll have to do again, and I'm trying to do that as well. No specific responsibilities or added pressure that I want to take. Yes, helping the team in any way possible, helping KL in any way possible, and trying to keep a calm head and try to give guidance.
Hi, Jaspreet. And sorry, another question on Virat. But the thing is that he has been the leader for 7 years, and now he's no longer the captain. As a team, and also as a player who is now part of the leadership group, what is the biggest takeaway from his leadership over those 7 years?
See, as we've already spoken before, he's been the leader of the team. He's energy driven. He's brought a lot of change to Indian cricket. He's brought the fitness culture. Everybody was heading in the same direction. Everybody got fitter as a team. So his contribution has been immense and is still immense. He's a very important player, a very important leader in the group. He's captain for such a long period of time. So his assistance and his knowledge of the game will always be used by us as a team, and his contribution will always be important. So even now, when he's there in the squad, he'll obviously add inputs, and he'll obviously give his suggestions. So that's very important for all our players, and we all look up to him. So that's always been the case, and it'll be the same going further as well.
Just please, can we have an update on Siraj's fitness status and hopefully no other injury or availability concerns in the group?
I think he's fine. He's practicing with us, so I don't see any discomforts. Hopefully, everything stays that way. Nothing that I am aware of right now, but everyone seems to be okay, and hopefully, it stays that way.
Okay, Jaspreet, just now Shamik also asked you that much of your cricket has been played under Virat, and there has been a stable ship with Ravi Bhai also and the previous team management. But Indian cricket is now going through a lot of changes. The leadership has changed, the team management has changed. So how are you all coping, knowing that in 9 months you play another World Cup, then there is another World Cup, and you are in the middle of a World Test Championship cycle. So how are you going through this phase when there's a lot of changes in the leadership?
Yeah, see, I can't speak for everyone, but for me, I can say that it doesn't really make a lot of difference. Yes, we all are here to help in however way we can, and I think that's the way all the players are responding to the changes that are happening as well. Everybody is respectful and they understand how the process are going. The change is the only constant, so we are happy. Yes, everybody is contributing. We are getting a lot of knowledge. Everybody is trying to contribute towards that. So I don't think anybody is facing a problem or is in a weird space with the change that is happening. Everybody understands the change. Everybody's played enough cricket to understand that this is the way the game goes and this is how you have to move forward. So everyone's as a team, everyone in the team is quite positive and quite eager to contribute and go about the change that how is happening.
Hi Jaspreet, I want to know from you, how do you plan to approach the ODI series against South Africa in the backdrop of the just concluded Test series?
Yeah, see, obviously you have to move forward. It's a different format of the game. The pace of the game changes, and the load on the body reduces as well. So yeah, we have to focus on the things that we have to do. It's a shorter format, faster pace. So obviously, as a bowler, you have to quickly assess and play around with your variations and what you have to do as a bowling unit. That's the change that I would be looking forward to do. And yeah, going with a fresh mindset and looking forward to contribute towards the team however I can and trying to take the team forward.
जसप्रीत जो अभी तक आपको देखा है आप ज्यादा बात नहीं करते चाहे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो चाहे ग्राउंड पे हो लेकिन अब रोल बदल रहा है आपका क्योंकि आप बोल रहे थे कि यंगस्टर के साथ मैं बात करता हूँ आप अब तो आपको एक्सपीरियंस के साथ भी बात करनी होगी केएल भी नया है आप भी नए हो तो ये सब बदलाव जो है इसकी तरफ आप क्या नजरिए से देखते हो
अ, देखिए सर, मैं तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप चाहते ही हो आप जब इंडियन क्रिकेट में आते हो, बिकॉज अगर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है, प्रेशर नहीं है तो गेम में मज़ा नहीं आएगा. तो मैं यही कोशिश करता हूँ कि जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है या जैसा भी तरीके से हम कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाए, हम लोग लुक फॉरवर्ड करते हैं कि ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को अच्छी तरह से निभाए और अपना बेस्ट देने की कोशिश करें. मैं एज अ बॉलर हमेशा जब मैं नया आया था तभी भी मैं सवाल ज़्यादा पूछता था क्योंकि मेरे को जितना सीखने का शौक है तो मैं जितना हो सके सीनियर से सवाल पूछता था. तो अभी थोड़ा ट्रांजिशन फेज में मेरे से भी जो यंग प्लेयर आए हैं वो अगर सवाल पूछते हैं तो मैं उनसे वो एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर पाता हूँ. तो मैं वही कोशिश करता हूँ. समटाइम्स उनके इनपुट्स, फ्रेश इनपुट्स मुझे भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. तो ये कम्युनिकेशन हम हमेशा कोशिश करते हैं कि पूरी टीम में रहे कि कभी कभी फ्रेश माइंडसेट कुछ बाहर से कोई नया लड़का अगर आता है उसको कुछ स्पेशल कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन होती है जो शायद अंदर रह के नहीं हो पाती. तो वो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि अच्छा कम्युनिकेशन रह पाए तो कैसे टीम को बेनिफिट होगा, चाहे वो यंगस्टर के थ्रू हो कि चाहे वो सीजन कैंपेनर के थ्रू हो.
भी 2023 वर्ल्ड कप के लिए 20 महीना है, क्या अभी से ही वो प्लान शुरू हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये बहुत एक इम्पोर्टेंट टूर्नामेंट होगा और बहुत सारे चीज देखा जाएगा, परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन, क्या अभी से ही हर सीरीज में उस तरह का प्लान के साथ टीम इंडिया जाएगी?
ऑब्वियसली एक विजन तो हमको रखना ही है कि 23 वर्ल्ड कप में हमको किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है. तो प्रेपरेशंस शुरू पहले ही हो जाएगी. अगर कोई नए प्लेयर्स आते हैं या कैसे भी हम उस डायरेक्शन में जाना है तो इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ देने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो आई थिंक एक विजन रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऑब्वियसली ईच एंड एवरी सीरीज़ को इंपॉर्टेंस देना, अनप्रेजेंट पे रहना कि क्या उस सिचुएशन में करना है वो वैल्यू करेगा ही, बट एक विजन रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और हम रखने की कोशिश करेंगे.
Yeah, hi Jaspreet. Now that you're the vice captain, pardon me if I joined a bit late, but what do you think personally about your own leadership skills and have you ever given it a thought that you'd like to lead India one day and how do you look at it, the captaincy thing, if it comes along the way to you somewhere?
See, I've already answered this question before as well, that if given an opportunity, it would be an honor, and I don't see any other player would say no, but I'm no different. So yeah, be it any leadership group, be it any responsibility, or I always look to contribute however I can to the best of my ability. I look at this situation in the same manner, not to take any extra responsibility, extra pressure that now I have to be overcautious. Yes, taking responsibility, talking to a lot of players, trying to help them out in the best way possibility has always been my approach and will be my approach going further in any situation that comes to me.
हाय जसप्रीत, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आपको आप वाइस कैप्टनसी कर रहे हैं इस सीरीज में. जसप्रीत, मेरा सवाल हिंदी में और आप उसका हिंदी में जवाब दीजिएगा कि हम लोगों को पता लगा कि आपने टेस्ट सीरीज की विराट कोहली के बारे में इंस्टाग्राम से हम लोगों को पता लगा कि उन्होंने टेस्ट कैप्टनसी छोड़ दी। आपको भी इंस्टाग्राम से पता लगा या थोड़ा पहले पता लग गया था?
सी ऑब्वियसली हम लोग एज ए टीम यूनिट ज़्यादा क्लोज है, तो हमारा एक मीटिंग में उन्होंने हमको बताया था कि वो अभी टेस्ट कैप्टनसी से स्टेप डाउन कर रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने हमको एज ए टीम बताया था एंड उनका डिसीजन हम रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं एंड उनके लीडरशिप को हम बहुत वैल्यू करते हैं, तो हमने उनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया एज ए टीम फॉर हिज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन to the test team and to our team as a leader and we wish him all the best। तो यही हमारा उनसे बातचीत हुई थी।